Hi everyone, it's me, Nancy. How you doing? I'm creating my video today to help people understand how to live a life that they love, how to find peace in their heart, and how to do the things that make your heart sing, and also manifestation, how to use the laws of assumption, the laws of projection, the laws of identical harvest. So for me, it's been being a mum. My message has been being a mum and being a good friend and a sister and a mother and a daughter and a partner and just a loving being on this earth. And so for me, it's about, the step from understanding the laws and who I am as a divine being and a creator and the power within me, and first learning about that. And also, I'm just blowing a bit of dust because I'm outside in this beautiful river on this beautiful day. But also understanding that it doesn't matter where you are on this journey. It doesn't matter if you're not a master of it. What matters is that you start practicing. And I've been practicing this law of attraction, law of projection, law of identical harvest for the past few years now, and manifest every day something. And what I've realized is the more you practice the laws of attraction, the more, as a conscious creator, so you consciously, number one, each morning I wake up and I do a meditation of self-love, and then I project into time and space all the things that I desire from my heart. First I find peace in my heart and do a meditation of love, and then I project with radiating love from my heart all the things that I desire. And if in particular there's certain things like that my boys are happy, gifted and happy and healthy and wealthy, I project that. And if there's any things that they need, I feel into my heart and believe that they have them already. So my want is that desire of my boys having what they need. Say they needed studio equipment, I would dream them with it and feel it and see them playing with their studio music equipment. And then creating a scene that implies that they have their studio equipment. And so what would that mean is seeing them play it and then go, "Wow, we really love that," and me hearing their voice saying to me, or they come and congratulate me on how they feel, or I congratulate them on how they feel and how wonderful this is all using your imagination from the place, not them being over there like you're already in it, because we're selecting from the quantum field of the I am, which is I am happy, joyful. So, and when you realize that you are the creator of your life, which is a biggie, because it's a big responsibility to hold. Because when you first start, I felt, oh my God, all my thoughts, feelings, and my emotions are creating my life and all my self-talk. And so I then learnt not to be so hard on myself and become more aware of what my self-talk, what I was feeling. So because your thoughts are all from here down to the top of your hearts, and your emotions are from below your chest, your solar plexus, down to your sitting bone, your sacrum. And between what you're thinking, all your self-talk and all your emotions is what creates a feeling of sadness, of happiness, of joy, of feeling abundant, of feeling fulfilled, of feeling the infinites of this expanding universe. of feeling the infinite abundance of nature. Look at all this divine nature around me, and feeling the same within you, because you are infinite abundance that keeps on expanding, just like nature and just like the universe. And so this is how I've been creating in my life with my children, just believing in me. It takes time, you know, to go from this step, understanding, to becoming conscious. It's, you know, it takes time. For some people it's quicker than others, but you know, I've been quite a turtle in my learning, but a tortoise. But it's all okay, because at the end of the day, I'm seeing the power of the divine within me and outside of me. And what I'm learning is that my human imagination is the goddess, is the God that creates everything in front of me, all my thoughts and feelings and what shows up in my life. And I project that into time and space, the law of projection and the law of assumption, to assume that I am already that. And then if you can't use your imagination to visit, because the more you use your imagination, the more it expands. But the more that you revise your days, like set intentions of your days, like if you haven't been able to visualize it first, like creating an imaginal scene that implies it's already there, you can just use the thoughts, like the feeling of, if you had the thoughts, the feeling of that already happening, which is just as powerful, to have the feeling of it. And it's the dance between the having of that you already having, like you have it, and then seeing in the world that it hasn't showed up. But you have to stay faithful to your desire and not judge yourself and not criticize yourself and not condemn yourself and not condemn or the outside world. These sound really easy, but actually when you're doing it, you start to learn deep loving awareness and the golden rule, and that is to do unto others thoughts, feelings and projections as you would like onto yourself. Anyway, hope that supports you to be an amazing conscious creator and law of attraction stutter-upper. Anyway, I love you and lots of blessings. Bye.